We have a 1930 Ford Model A 5-window rumble seat coupe. Stunning car, done in, of course, any color you want except black, right? So this car just came to us out of a collection. Unfortunately, the gentleman had passed away, and he had about a 17-car collection, and this was one of the ones that was sitting in the prime spot in his shop there. So very proud of this car. It is a beautifully done car, and it is, by the way, guys, all steel, original Henry Ford steel. You can still feel the machining marks on the inside of the fenders, for those of you guys that know what I'm talking about there. Rumble seat coupe with a luggage rack on the back, extra spare on the back as well. Get a look inside there. Nicely finished rumble seat area. Again, this car is all steel, including the fenders. And the best part about it, guys, is it does run and drive as good as it looks. Get a look down the side here. If you watch the reflections in the video there, you can see paint is nice. The body is super straight. Here's what I was talking about on the fenders. You can almost hear it. Right there. Love the white wall tires on this. Kind of helps the car stand out a little bit. Does have the coil hood ornament, or radiator cap, I should say, as well. Get a look down the passenger side. Yeah, nice crisp lines. No signs of any major body filler or anything like that. There's one little ding I wanted to point out here for everybody. If you can see, the camera will pick it up. A little nick right there. And a little something right under here by the where it mounted here. Those are the only paint blemishes I've seen on this car, or at least anything that's even close to significant. So again, very, very solid car. Now you can also see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Nicely done, period correct interior. That rear window does crank down on this car as well. As you can see, the crank is back there. Moving inside, got the standard Model A gauge cluster there. Now we'll see if she wants to fire up for us. Running. Get a look at the hood here. There we go. All stock under the hood as well. You can see the rarity on this Model A. Most of these Model A water pumps leak. This one does not. Runs in very smoothly. No flubbers or anything like that. Carburation is good on it. We'll walk around it here for you one more time so you can Again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are welcome, and financing is available as well. Give us a call too at 507-386-1726.